I've been using Rejuran Healer Turnover Ampoule for a few weeks now, and honestly, it's one of those products that grows on you slowly rather than giving instant dramatic results. The texture is lightweight and slightly gel-like, and it absorbs nicely without feeling heavy or greasy, which I really like. My skin felt more hydrated and calmer within the first few days, especially when it was irritated or breaking out. Over time, I noticed my skin looking a bit smoother and healthier, but don't expect miracles. This isn't a strong anti-aging serum like retinol. What I appreciate most is how gentle it is. It didn't sting or cause redness, and it layers well with the rest of my routine. The ingredients, especially the PDRN, salmon DNA, are supposed to help with skin repair. And while I can't say it completely transformed my skin, it definitely helped with overall skin recovery and glow. On the downside, it's quite expensive for the results it gives, and some people with sensitive or acne-prone skin might experience small breakouts. Overall, I'd say this ampule is worth trying if your focus is hydration, skin barrier repair, and a healthy glow. But if you're looking for fast anti-aging or dramatic changes, this might feel underwhelming. It's more of a slow improvement kind of product, rather than a quick fix.